the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. It's April, which means it's the month of Easter and also Earth Day. All this month on the Limoneira YouTube channel, I will be sharing Easter-themed recipes and also a really fun Easter DIY craft idea and also some tips for living a more eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle. Today I'm so excited to share with you how to make these really simple and fun orange fruit salad Easter baskets. So let's get started. For this DIY, you will need Limoneira navel oranges, Cara orange, and lime, fresh strawberries, fresh mint, and yellow construction paper. Begin by cutting the navel oranges in half. Then with a large spoon, carefully scoop around the white pith and remove the orange fruit. You will be left with these cute little orange peel bowls. Next, dice the Cara orange, navel orange, strawberries, and some of the mint, and mix all together with juice from half of a lime. Scoop the fruit back into the navel orange bowls and add a strip of yellow construction paper to make a handle on your cute little baskets. I hope that you will make these orange fruit salad Easter baskets. If you do, make sure to tag us at Limoneira Co. on Instagram. I can't wait to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. And you can also stay connected with us for more citrus recipes and inspiration on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!